I never had a coach that taught me how to speak confidently at work, but if there's something that I did on my own that significantly helped how I built my confidence, that would be recording myself whenever I had an opportunity at work. I would record myself in meetings. I would record myself in Zoom virtual sessions, for example. And I realized that I thought I was already good, but when I saw myself in those videos, I listened to those audio clips, I realized, wow, that's how I spoke? I don't like how I sound. I don't like how I use those words. And the more that I realized that I was moving my hands too many times, I was using the word actually, basically, essentially too many times, I had a lot of ums and ahs, I got more motivated to get rid of those cringe-worthy moments and told to myself, I want to be better. The key to self-improvement starts with self-awareness. So please grab your smartphones and as much as you can, record yourself and be better moving forward.